himayin din natin to. Xiaoming Lily, ni kanjian, may kanjian, what the pi? Lily, nakita mo ba ang aking pencil? Ballpen, pen, pencil. Sabi ni Lily, ang nita pi, sure pusher lanta. Blue ba ang iyong pen? Sabi ni Xiaoming, pusher lanta, sure hongta, hindi blue, red. Sabi ni Lily, nitangi siya, you wait there. Tinanong isang classmate si Xiaowen, nita pi, sure pusher lanta, isn't your pen blue? Sabi ni Xiaowen, yes, sure yes. Lily, nita pi na, your pen? Where's your pen? Sabi ng Xiaowen, zai wo de shu bao li, inside my bag. Sabi ni Lily, ni kan siya pusher lanta. Tingnan mo, is it blue? Sabi ni Xiaowen, sure hongta, it's red. Sabi ni Lily, hong pi sure Xiaoming ta, kay Xiaoming yung red. Nita pi, zai zheli, nandito ang iyong pen. So sabi ni Xiaowen, 对不起, sorry. Sabi ni Xiaoming, 没关系, no worries.